Hook. Did you know that AI chefs are revolutionizing the kitchen, creating dishes you never thought possible? Setup context. Welcome to another episode of Innovative AI Robotics, where we explore the groundbreaking technologies transforming our world. Today, we're diving into the world of AI chefs and how they're shaking up the culinary arts, bringing a new wave of innovation to kitchens around the globe. From gourmet restaurants to home kitchens, AI is seamlessly blending creativity with precision. Main content/story. Meet ChefBot, an AI culinary maestro designed to inspire chefs and home cooks alike. Picture this: a bustling restaurant kitchen filled with aromas, steam, and the hum of activity, all orchestrated by ChefBot's algorithms that analyze flavors, nutrition, and customer preferences. With each recipe, ChefBot processes billions of data points, crafting dishes that not only tantalize taste buds, but also closely adhere to dietary needs. ChefBot's first challenge was in a high-end restaurant, where its goal was authenticity and flair. Imagine a renowned French bistro skeptical of entrusting AI with its award-winning ratatouille. ChefBot studied each ingredient's molecular structure, history, and function. With an eye on tradition and a digital mind on innovation, ChefBot recreated the dish with enhanced flavors and textures, stunning even the most critical gourmands. Beyond haute cuisine, AI like ChefBot is also breaking borders in home kitchens. Meet Tim, a single dad juggling work, life, and feeding two picky eaters. Enter ChefBot, his culinary assistant, suggesting quick, nutritious meals based on his kids' favorite tastes and today's fridge contents. One evening, as dining fatigue overshadowed creativity, ChefBot introduced sweet potato taco bites. A simple twist, a new family favorite. There are more players in the game. AI sommelier bots pairing wines with dishes based on flavor chemistry, and smart ovens perfecting baking by adjusting temperature and time for foolproof soufflés. Each innovation drives home the central message: AI chefs are not here to replace, but to enhance human creativity and efficiency. Resolution takeaway. In this unfolding culinary tale, the tension between tradition and technology resolves into a harmonious partnership. The narrative leaves us reflecting: what new sensory experiences can AI chefs unveil next? And what human elements will AI continue to redefine? As we wrap up, think about this. What AI or robot would you like to see in your life? Thanks for watching. Please help my channel grow by liking and subscribing. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.